Our students were given the opportunity to come up with a kind of cookie that they would like to sell. They had to research the recipe all on their own and cost out the recipe to find out how much we needed to cost to meet our sales goals. And they did all the work preparing for it. So all of these students have gone through a year of culinary arts, and now they're back to look at the restaurant management end of things. So dropping these students into beginning of the year, I told them the expectation was that they get to do the job that I normally get to do. So they're the ones that are taking control over making sure that we have the product that we need in-house, making sure that our recipes are costed accurately, and making sure that we have people in place that are doing all of the vital roles that are necessary to do something like we're doing today. The purpose of today was because we hear the demand from people in our area that they want some of our food. So the students were really excited to provide food for people. That's how we show love. We call that spreading joy. And it's really exciting and rewarding as an instructor to see the passion, to see the energy and the excitement in the students as they get to be the ones that are making the decisions, that are in control and making sure that everything is happening according to plan.